Hello and welcome back to Creative Design and Supply. Today I want to show you a little tip on how to fill the page with multiple items. So say with Valentine's coming up, you want to cut out multiple hearts, sizes, whatever. I'm going to show you how to do that with the panels button and another button that is really good. Now I am using the business edition, so you would some things may not look the same, but this is for the business edition. Okay, so I am printing my sublimation from Silhouette. You can print as big as you want. I have several tutorials on that. So I have over here, I put none and cutting mat none, and I have the letter size. All right, so here I am going to take our Linktree QR code. Whoops. So if you want to go back, and what I did, I can do Control Z and it will go back, or I can come up here and press that button. Sometimes I don't like to grab the mouse, so I will just press Control Z. All right, so now I am going to size this to about, let's say, I'll grab it right over here. I'm going to do this size 0.75, okay? And then I am going to move it over, okay? And I have it up here, but I want to print the entire page. Duplicate, line, everything. I'm going to show you a little trick. So your panels button. Now, if you come over here to your panels, this is the same thing that is over here. And if you just wait a minute, it will, and if you hover over it, well, it may not do it now because I'm in a Zoom. But if you hover over it long enough, it will give you the details of what that button does. So let's go back over here, and then this jumps up. So I can either duplicate it to the right or to the left, however I would like. Okay. But I want to go here and I want to fill the page. So I click that. Well, I have a lot of room left over. So I'm going to take my nesting button. I'm going to come over here, and this is one of my favorite because everyone likes to save material. All right, so whenever I click that for my nest, this comes up. Now, I have padding, and that's going to be your spaces between it and then your rotations. I'm not really worried about the rotations. Now, on the padding, I've found that if you change it to at least 3, you can get scissors around it. All right. So I like to use 3. And after I do that, I press next. Right, so now I have them like this. Well, I want to go ahead and I am going to grab those, about that many. I'm going to duplicate, and I'm going to come down, line these up. Okay. And then I'm going to delete those. So now I have a bunch of my QR codes, and I will be able to print those out from here. And another little trick is what I like to do is I'm going to go ahead and now I'm going to print from Silhouette. So I'm going to press Control P, or you can go up to your panels and press print. All right, so now that comes up. Oh, I can do another one. So I want to save as much space as I can. Duplicate, bring that down. Okay, Control P one more time. All right. And then I'm going to press print, and this is where it gets good. This is where you want to, instead of going, because I print from an SG 5000 Sawgrass, I want to go over and I am going to use the print manager. Because the drivers, for some reason, will not work if you print through Silhouette. And if you print Sawgrass SG 5000, then it's a little bit different. But if you print from your print manager, your all your drivers, everything's in line and everything works properly. All right, so now that I am going to print that, and then I'm going to sublimate to make stickers. So if you have any questions, let's see, there it goes. And then there is my page, and I have clicked mirror here because that's what I need to do. And then I'm going to press print, and then it's going to come out and be printed. All right, if you have any questions about any of this, comment below. I have more tips and tricks under our YouTube tutorial, tips and tricks. Like I said, if you have any questions, comment below and I would be glad to answer them for you. Thanks. Have a great day.